The Military Entrance and Processing Station, or MEPS, in Omaha is one of more than 60 centers across the nation, serving as a bridge between recruiting and training the U.S. military.
Yeah, this is where applicants are thoroughly vetted before they leave for basic training. And I caught up with some recruits before they shipped off from MEPS for this week's mission service.
This is Mission Service, sponsored by Barry Law.
I think I was in third grade when 9/11 happened, and that was something that always stuck with me.
This is Ashland native Branson Stars. He's reflecting on the pride he's always had for our nation and his reason to join the military.
One thing I always wanted to do was serve my country.
He's headed to Army Basic Combat Training. You may know it as boot camp.
I shipped a basic here today and then finished that up in December, and then I have a few months break where then in March, officer training school starts.
George Sandoval was also in the group of applicants. The Storm Lake, Iowa native is joining the Army National Guard after finishing college. He's following in his parents' footsteps.
My dad joined in as infantry, deployed to Afghanistan. My mom went as, I believe, a water specialist, and she ended up retiring as a captain.
He's thrilled for the chance to serve his nation and put on the uniform as they did. He also understands the risks that come with serving.
My dad was deployed when Iowa had that big deployment to Afghanistan, and he was injured a couple times.
This day was a typical one at MEPS, with some applicants processing at the station before sunrise. Once there, they spend a portion of their day going through three main screenings. One is a testing evaluation. This is one way the military narrows down the jobs an applicant is qualified to do. Another is the medical exam. It's here that the military looks at an applicant's medical history and current physical state. Finally, there's a background check. This includes criminal, credit, and reference checks. And once an applicant has made it through these areas, they go to this room, raise their right hands, and take the oath of enlistment.
I state your full name. Do solemnly swear to support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
The MEPS motto is Freedom's Front Door. Only those who make it through the standards put forth by the Department of Defense get into the military. And for many, this is where their future begins. Well, if there's a person or topic you think we should cover for Mission Service, you can tell us all about it. You can just email us at mission.service@3newsnow.com, and your story could be featured right here on 3 News Now.